many of you noticed all the changes going on right now on 1688 app? If you're new to 1688, I mean, you are in luck, because the 1688 of today is far better. I mean, 10 times better than the 1688 of 6 years, 5 years, 7 years ago. Now, if you can see my screen, this is what the new interface of 1688 app looks like. It is so easy right now for you to navigate the whole 1688 platform. In fact, if you want to ship directly from your supplier to Nigeria, to any country in Africa, you can do that. If you don't want to use a third-party shipping company, you can actually ask your supplier, or here on 1688, you can use their shipping method to ship to your country. But if you ask me, I don't think that is the cheapest route to follow. I'm going to explain that in subsequent video, but this is me showing you the new 1688 platform. It is so easy. I mean, this looks way similar to Alibaba. If you know Alibaba, you've been using Alibaba, you understand that this right now looks so similar to Alibaba. One thing I love so much right now with the current 1688 app is that you can pay with your Nigerian bank card. You can make payments directly to your supplier with your Nigerian bank card. So if your Alipay is not working, Alipay is not getting verified and all that, please do not stress yourself. Now, concerning this, I've been getting lots of DMs. Some people are asking, Onyi, the exchange rate is way too much. Hello, exchange rate is way too much. How? It is not way too much anything. I think the difference, I mean, I'm going to make practical video showing that it is not too much. It is good. The rate is good when you're paying with your Naira card. Another thing that people are saying is that when you're using your Naira card, it is difficult for you to get your refund back into your card. That's not true. But what I want to point out here is that it takes days. If you're using your Nigerian card and you apply for refund, it takes around 7 to, I think, 14 days for you to get your refund. Take note of that, right? So if you're in a haste, just know that if you apply for refund, it's going to take around minimum of 7 days, right, for you to get your refund back into your card. But if your question is, are you going to get your refund? Definitely, you're surely going to get your refund. But if you're using Alipay, you know that almost immediately you get your refund if the supplier acknowledges and goes forth with the refund process. It is good. It is good. If you ask me, it is good. And now on 1688, you will notice that there is another price beside the normal yuan price. You can see mine is in dollars. You can see this backpack here that is going for 275 yuan, and beside it they've converted it to dollar, right? So if you're buying and you want to know the exchange rate in dollar, they've converted it. If you want to do it in Naira, you can equally do it in Naira. So if I want to change this to Naira, I'll go to my profile like so. Once you come to your profile like so, guys, you can have multiple 1688 accounts. Hope you know. So let me just switch my 1688 account. Let me switch. I have multiple 1688 accounts, so I'm just gonna switch to this one. Okay, so you can see I've switched to this other 1688 account. There is nothing at the top there showing you that I'm using a new one. Now when we come down here, I wanted to show you how to change the currency, right? So you come to country. You can see that mine is under global. Now under country or region, we have global, South Asia, Eurasia, Latin America, Turkey, Ghana, Nigeria. I mean, when it comes to Africa, you know that the majority of their customers, Nigeria, Ghana. So let's pick our country right here, Nigeria. Right, once you pick Nigeria, you go back and then come back to your home page. You will notice that your prices is being converted to your local currency, which is Naira. You can see the price of this bag in yuan. Let me click it full so you can see it. Can you see this beautiful bag? In yuan, the price is 32 yuan, but in Naira, if you're paying with your card, just know that you'll be paying a total of 6,915.9. 6,915.9. So the prices will be converted for you to your local currency, the currency you choose. If you choose global, it will be converted to USD. But here we have Nigeria and Ghana, so you can as well just pick the one you want it to convert to, and it will convert for you. You can see another example right here. I'm showing you this bag is 75 yuan, which is equivalent to 16,209. Do you understand? Now another beautiful reason why I'm making this video is the kind of review I've been getting since we launched our 1688 manufacturers list, guys. The kind of reviews I've been getting is mind-blowing. Thank you so much for those of you that pre-ordered that list. Thank you so much for those of you that pre-ordered. Now I've been getting DMs. People are saying, Onyi, we just saw this video, we're not aware. Yeah, it happens, right? That's it. Now I want to show you what we have. Okay, now you can see we have over, you know, I promised you guys 40 suppliers link, tested and trusted manufacturers link. I promised you all 40, but guys, what we have here is over 70 manufacturers contacts, yeah, store links. Over 70, not 40, not 50, not 60, I mean 70. These are people you can buy from anytime, any day. They are not just any kind of supplier, they are manufacturers as well. Now you can see for female clothing we have 6 links. I'm just gonna click on one to show you what we have going on. So if I click on this female clothing, I'll click here. Right, we have a lot. Just hold on, I want to show you what we have under female clothing. So we have 6 contact list or suppliers link for women clothing. If that is what you want to go into, just wait for it to load. Now under female clothing, this is the first link you will see. This is a supplier that will give you the best of the best quality. We have been buying from this supplier. I have referred my friends that are into female clothing to this supplier, and they know they get quality. When you bring in this stuff, it just looks as if you bought this stuff from Turkey. It just looks as if you bought this stuff from US. Their quality. See, you can see the kind of skirts they have. See, this is a manufacturer that specializes on female clothing. Guys, see what you'll be getting. And their prices are so good. You see all these trendy tops, trendy gowns, trendy skirts. That is what you're getting from this particular seller. Female clothing, this is one you definitely want to hop on. Now let's go back to the list. We have female clothing, we have scarf, you know, ladies scarf, right? We have body shapers, we have men clothing, children clothing, women bags, men bags, school bags, luggage boxes, men's shoes, ladies shoes, children's shoes, electronics. When I mean electronics, talk about your television, talk about your, you know, electronics at home. We have content tools. Those of you that want to go into content tools, ring light, tripod, anything content, we have them for you. We have jewelry like watches, earrings, you know, jewelries in general. We have kitchen and household items. We have security, that is CCTV and locks, right? We have Chinese teas and their supplements. We have water filter, industrial water filter, right? We have solar lights. Those of you that want to go into solar lights. We have perfumes. Guys, we have hair. Those of you that want to go into hair, power banks. We have educational toys, cosmetics. These are contact lists, 1688 manufacturers list that we have. Now, because of those people that have been saying, Only I got this, I saw this video late, please can I still pay 15k? We are supposed to have changed the price to 25,000 naira, but what I will be doing is, for those of you that will buy within this week, I will try as much as I can to upload this video today. Today is Monday, 9th of February, right? So I'll try as much as I can to upload this video today, 9th of February. So if you're seeing this video today, 9th of February, to the 14th, which is Valentine's Day, by the way, to the 14th of February, right? This week, you will still be able to pay 15,000 naira to get this manufacturer's list. Please, anything outside these dates, if you're seeing this video after 14th of February and you still want to get this 1688 manufacturer's list, the price is 25,000 naira. That's the normal price. This 15,000 naira was for people that pre-ordered, people that paid before I launch. Do you understand me? People that paid before I launched, people that trusted me to deliver, they paid before I launched this was their price. So I'm just giving a window, a grace time of this week, Monday to Saturday, pay 15k. There will be a link down for you, right? The first link you see, click on it and make payments of 15k only. Get this within this week. Now, one thing I want you that will be getting this manufacturers list to know is this: with time, right, I'll be adding more contacts here. So with time, you'll be getting more contacts. With time, this will be over 100. There are more contacts we are working on adding, right? More suppliers links that we are adding. We are upgrading it. I mean, you're not even paying me for this, because if you want to get this deal, you should be paying nothing less than 100k. But how much am I asking you to pay because you're my subscriber on this space? 15k for this week. After this week, it is now 25,000 naira. Guys, if you've not paid for this 1688 manufacturers list, I don't know what you're doing. Tell me that product you want to go into. We have a supplier or even more than 3 for you already. As you can see, we have a lot. That's what this video is all about. To remind those of you that have not paid for this, you can send a WhatsApp message, make payments ASAP, or you use the link very fast to make payments before the 14th of February. After that, it is 25,000, which is still a good deal for you. Okay, so those of you that bought it, thank you so much for trusting me. Those of you that pre-ordered, I see your reviews, I see your messages. Yeah, I actually poured my heart into compiling this list, and I'm so glad that you're getting value for your money. You all know I love you, right? And I want the best. I don't want anybody to be scammed trying to import stuff using 1688. That's why I go out of my way to get these people that you can buy from without any fear. I love you all.